Hello and welcome. Today's video is going to be a little different and it's going to be an unboxing video. This package is from Illustris Cosplay. They are based out of Australia and we're having a sale because they were changing over their filament. They were using up the old filament, so prints were discounted to make room for a more eco-friendly filament, which is pretty awesome. I did go through and remove anything that had my personal information on it, but it also came with, there we go, a sticker, and then the business card. I'll be putting links in the description box below this video as well. And then some little cards that say how to finish the prints, which is useful because I've never done this before. So this is for finishing resin, and then this one is for finishing 3D prints. I decided to order parts for 3 costumes, and since it's shipping from Australia, it made sense to just go ahead and buy multiple things at once to save on shipping costs. A lot of these are to go along with the patterns created by Indigo Patterns on Etsy, the same pattern maker that I used for my Sophie Hatter costume. That makes it really easy because there's the pattern and then you can get all of the hardware pieces to go with it. This is for Marnie from Pokemon Sword and Shield. So we have her necklace charm and then the spikes for her jacket as well as the kind of spiky bow things. This is the kit for Goddess Zelda from Skyward Sword. It comes with the hair tube things, and then these are the bracelets. It did say in the listing that they would be shipped flat and will need to be heat formed to be curved to go around the wrist. I did also want to say that I was very impressed with how well everything was packaged, since some of these pieces are really delicate, and I was worried about them being shipped for such a long distance. This last kit is the most complex, and it is for Princess Zelda from Ocarina of Time, and it comes with her tiara. As you can see, it does need some finishing work, which is to be expected. And then I do really like how it has these little loops on the end so you can secure it to the wig. And I also got the gem to go inside. And now we have the part that goes on her chest, as well as the little dangly bits. This kit does not come with the pauldrons or the earrings, so you do have to make those yourself. And then at the bottom here, we have all of the little belt pieces. And I do like how they have, I'm not sure how well it'll show up on camera, but they do have little loops at the end so that you can thread a jump ring through it to attach everything together. Overall, I'm very pleased with my purchases. I look forward to finishing them up and making the costumes to go along with them. It'll be my first time finishing 3D prints, so hopefully everything will go well. I also wanted to say that shipping on these was delayed because of COVID, understandably. Illustris Cosplay was really communicative with everything and let me know what was going on, which I also really appreciated.